This video is about dealing with Gradebook once you start setting assignments for student use. In this course, I have created 4 assignments, and I'd like to actually start setting up my Gradebook so that when I mark those assignments, the mark in the Gradebook will reflect a correct mark for students. I come over to my settings block and I click on grades, and then I choose category and items. There are no students in my course right now. Inside categories and items, you can see that I have my 4 assignments set up. I'm just going to dock my settings block and get it out of the way. The current aggregation for this is simple weighted mean of grades. That means each point that a student gets is going to be equal to any other point. You can see that the course total right now is set at 100, which is not the total of the grades. This will give the student a percentage out of 100 for their score. This gradebook will work as long as I'm happy to have equal weighting across all of my assignments. If a teacher decides to change the weighting of a particular set of assignments, then they need to create subcategories and weight those categories. And this is how you do that. I can click and add a category. I'm going to break my work up into Unit 1, and I will make another category called Unit 2. Save changes. So now you can see that I have Unit 1 and Unit 2, but none of my assignments are inside of those units. The next job is to move the assignment into the unit. So I'm going to take assignment 1 and 2, and I'm going to move those selected items into Unit 1. Now I'm going to take assignment 2 and 3 and 4, and I'm going to move those into Unit 2. So now I have Unit 1 with 2 assignments, Unit 2 with 2 assignments. Each course category total is 100 and the course total is 100. They should be left that way. So the next step is I'd like to weight my units so they're not equal. I want to set Unit 1 to 60% of the grade and Unit 2 to 40% of the grade. To do that, I need to change the aggregation for the entire course to weighted mean of grades. What that does is it gives me a box to assign a weighting for each one of my units. So Unit 1, 60, Unit 2, 40, and now I can save changes. So that will give me weighted units in my Moodle Gradebook.